Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing from BEAUTEQUE.com. I'm very excited to do this unboxing. I haven't done one in quite some time, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you're not familiar with my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And especially for these unboxings, everybody has been loving them, and I do read all your comments in the question box or in the comment box below. And I know there has been a lot of shipping issues with BEAUTEQUE.com, and I have actually addressed the issue, and hopefully everything from then on will be very smooth. But today I will be doing the unboxing for the BEAUTEQUE box for July and for the Mask Maven. So as usual, I'd like to start off with opening the Mask Maven box or bag, and for July the theme is going to be But First Brunch, and that is super cute, so it's everything brunch related. So the first thing you will find is the brochure. I've already unopened it or unfolded it, and as you know, the theme for this month of July is going to be But First Brunch. And then right here they have a little excerpt for you to kind of understand why they chose this theme, and it says this month's spread is the hearty assortment of K-beauty that will give your normal routine a wake-up call. This head-to-be assortment is jam-packed with nourishing fruits and revitalizing coffee to start your day off right. Treat yourself to this balanced beauty buffet. Love, you know, XOXO, the BEAUTEQUE monthly team. So inside here, the Mask Maven usually contains 9 full face masks, which is a really great subscription box. I believe right now, if you are interested in the Mask Maven, they are selling the subscription month to month for $15, but if you sign up for a year, and your monthly will just be $13, which is a great deal, especially if these retail up to a lot more than what you're paying for the subscription. So I'm going to go through each of these masks individually and kind of let you know how each of them work and what they can do for each monthly. This will be the July box. I'm sorry if everything seems so delayed. I've been receiving these boxes a little bit later than usual, but I'm still here to share it with you guys. If it's your first time to ever buy one of these boxes, you guys can use my code Arielle25 to take 25% off the subscription. Let's start with the first face mask, and it's super cute. It's from Esfolio. It's an egg essence mask sheet. This is going to revitalize your skin and of course add more moisture. The next mask we have is from Cause.W. It's called My Real Skin Egg White. This is also very tightening and has a lot for pore care, and it just removes dirt trapped within. The next mask we have here is from the Sam Natural Tox. This is a pomegranate natural essence mask. This is very good for hydration and also creating a more elastic skin, and it's just supposed to be very good for clear and lively skin. Next we have from Papa Recipe. This is going to be a Bombi honey mask. Any honey masks are usually typically known for moisture and hydration. The next mask we have is from Honey Milk Candy Mask, and this is from Candy O Lady. This is also again honey, so it's good for hydration and brightening the skin. The next mask we have here is from the Siam Natural Oatmeal Mask Sheet. This is an oatmeal mask sheet, so obviously it's going to be great for hydration, and it smells amazing from what I've heard. The next thing we have here is, oh, how cute is this packaging? First of all, it's like a basket of cherry tomatoes, and this is from the Sam Natural Tox. This is a tomato mask sheet. As you know, tomato is really good for brightening the skin, leaving your skin very smooth and clear. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? You know, I love me some boba. This one is Annie's Way's Bubble Tea Black Tea Mask. This black tea mask is perfect for your brunch dates. And this is just a really great mask that has antioxidants, protects the skin, and fights signs of aging. And lastly, the cutest mask of all. If you've seen To All the Boys I've Loved Before, I'm sure you're thinking yogurt drinks, right? I actually grew up drinking these Yakult drinks, but this is actually a wash-off mask. This is from Skin Bonnie. It's green tea. It has green tea powders and other extracts that will boost your skin's overall health. Let's move on to the BB box. Again, it'll come with the brochure, the same theme, but first brunch. And inside the brochure, you will find everything you need to know about the items it contains, how to use it, what ingredients are in it that makes it amazing. Let's get into this. Okay, there are so many fun products in here. The first thing here I see is going to be from Urban City. It's a real lip tint. lip tone tint. I said that very weird. And the shade is going to be Rosewood. So this is basically a lip tint, and I can't wait to use this and see how beautiful this shade is. The next thing here I see is the CeraVe Min. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that really incorrectly. This is a perfect solution serum, and within this serum it actually looks like a syringe. Let's go ahead and open it so we can see that it looks like a syringe. I saw it in the brochure, so let's see how cute this looks. Oh, kind of scary looking, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be great. Okay, let's get this to focus. There we go, there we go. And come on, focus. Let's get this to focus. There we go. It looks like an injection. And this product is basically for leaving your skin to have a beautiful complexion glow. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's very hydrating and will help you achieve that beautiful, glowy, dewy skin. The next thing here I see is from the Sam. Again, I'm sorry if I'm saying that very incorrectly, but this is a body moisturizer in apricot. I'm sure this smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. The next thing here I see is a cleaning sponge. This is going to be used for your face. Apparently it's going to be great for clearing out any of your pores. I can't wait to try this as well. The next thing here I see is super cute. It actually is a 3-step face mask. You're supposed to add all these different ingredients or use them at a time. And it is a cafe latte mask. As you know, espresso is really good for tightening your skin and making sure everything looks really great. So this is a super cute data. Let me zoom out a little so you can see it a little better. There you go. You see how there's like 2 steps. Super cute. The next product I have here is called Scene. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that incorrectly. I'm so sorry. This is a perfect serum treatment. It's basically a hair shampoo. It's supposed to make your hair very soft and just very supple. It has argan, coconut, olive, apricot, jojoba. It has some marula and camellia oils, so this should be really great. Well, there you guys have it for my BB box and Mask Maven unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and really got to see what great value these subscriptions have. I want to share with you guys a promo code if you guys are interested to purchase, especially if it's your first time. You can use the code Arielle25 for 25% off. And again, I just really want to reiterate how great of a value this is as far as the BB box. It's only $24 on a month-to-month basis, and if you commit to a year, it goes down to $22. When everything you're getting inside is definitely a $65 or more value. And then for the Mask Maven, it's basically $15 month to month, or get a lower discount committing to a year month to month for only $13. And I mean, that's a value of like $30 or more, and I just feel like these are such great ways to be able to test out different products, especially if you're new and you're not quite sure what to get. It's just a great way to get a gist of everything and kind of see what works for your skin. One last thing, don't forget to follow Beautique on all of their social media platforms. I love following them because each week they do a spoiler on whatever could be inside the box, which really excites me while I wait for my boxes to come. And also, like, they have a lot of the latest skincare things that you may want to try for your skin, so go ahead and follow them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and subscription. And notification bell. That was such a mouthful. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!